All right. We're live here with Coach Vin Blaine of the Reggae Girls team, and we want to first congratulate you on the win today. I mean, I know you had a short time in terms of preparation. What do you make of the performance of the team today, given the time that you had to work with them?
Excellent performance. I can't take all the credit because you can see the young the ladies can play. You know, they can play. All I did was organize, made some couple changes because there are certain players that they've heard here, so I had to shift players around. You know, one of my fault played central midfield, and she did an excellent job. You know, I think she surprised herself. But in building the team, I said to her, I'm going to put you in central midfield. She said, okay, coach. And she came out and she did exactly what we wanted from her. And as the game went on, she get better and better and better and more confident.
We also noticed you had to make two late substitutions. Looked like there were injuries, short recovery time. I mean, what do you think those players will be heading into the game on Sunday against Grenada?
Well, we have to depend on the evaluation of the medical staff. You know, so they'll tell me what is what. We do have replacements for them. So it's not anything that we are going to say stressful over. You know, but when they're evaluated by tomorrow, and when we get down, we have one more day we have one day in Grenada before we play. So we see.
Okay, so I mean, anything you think you need to work on heading into that game?
Just minor things, because I think we have to look at the game and look down the line at a better opponent. Yeah, Bermuda did well, but we're just a superior team tonight, and there are certain areas, that we see that I saw that we have to work on a little. Nothing major.
I want to say congratulations to you again. All the best in Grenada and Sunday. Safe travel. Hope everyone recovers. And we're looking forward to a win. Hope we can score some more goals.
Yes, definitely.
As well. Thank you.
All right, thanks, man. Thanks, sir.